Budget cuts to New York City's public schools are on hold. Today, a Manhattan judge said the city didn't follow the law when it voted to cut millions of dollars.
CBS 2's Astrid Martinez has more from parents, students, and educators who filed the suit and rallied against the cuts.
The message, education is important and it must be fully funded.
And we need the money now. We are a month out from the start of school.
Outside the New York County Supreme Court, dozens of parents, students, and educators chanted their dissatisfaction with the city to cut $215 million in funding for public schools in the current fiscal year.
These budget cuts have already wreaked havoc on our schools, and unless they are restored, will have very real consequences for students in the fall.
Today, a judge sided with parents, calling for a city council redo vote, finding that the original budget vote was invalid because of a procedural misstep. Mayor Eric Adams blames the smaller budget on a drop in student enrollment, which has declined significantly since the pandemic. At a separate event, he addressed the criticism.
We have some tough choices. I've said it over and over again. We have decrease in population. The funding has changed. And if we don't make smart decisions, those schools that are in higher need are going to be impacted.
New York City Comptroller Brad Lander says his office year-end fiscal review shows there are sufficient resources to fully cover school budget cuts with leftover stimulus relief money.
And $4 billion of that money has not been spent yet. So it just makes no sense to decimate the budgets of over 3/4 of New York City's public schools.
Judge Lyle E. Frank asked lawyers for language that would allow council members to re-vote on the education budget. In Lower Manhattan, Astrid Martinez, CBS 2 News.
A ruling is expected tomorrow, and the comptroller says the cuts would affect about 1,200 schools.